We've seen the crowd growing year on year.
This is my fourth year. Every year coming. I would say this is one of the better ones. First, of course, the response. I think a huge crowd of participants.
Conference is relevant, talking about the adoption of AI. We can use that back to my company.
Great job. Very great job.
This is one of the best run events. Not just the quality of the content, which is a given, the depth of the exhibitors that we have here are very good.
Wow, so many participants. And that is a great sign of people becoming more aware of upskilling and learning new things, technology.
The topic is very interesting, especially on AI.
Leveraging about AI.
We're seeing a lack of cybersecurity professionals in this field.
Now in the digital world, and the trade and defense is meant to protect the organization.
We live in a world that is changing every day. And AI is taking the world.
I'll admit, I had to read 4, 5, 6 articles before I actually understood how Bitcoin works.
Put individuals in a different way and in a better way.
And it's like, how does that work? Yes, I still have consulting, right?
And through that effort and through Global, CIAG Global, where we've got the best resources on the planet in terms of developing our certifications and our training programs, what we do is combine to get the very best.
I've done about 20 workshops around the world since then. Yeah. So KL will always have a special place for me with my AI journey.
We learn from the keynotes and all other speakers. It's always great. Slightly overwhelming, but in a positive manner.
Just remember, cyber criminals may have the advantage of working in the shadows, but we have the advantage of working together. And that's how we secure the future.
Is CIAG Malaysia the best? Thank you very much.